back to my channel. I am here at Home Depot. I just needed some soil, but hold on one second. I'm gonna look at their plants. Let's see what they have. Let's see. It's pretty cool. The type of owl. This one is another type of owl. Or Horthia. It just says Horthia collection. Let's see. I'm using my gimbal here. So the good thing about my gimbal is I can zoom in. Look. Around. And let me zoom out. Because I might forget that I'm zoomed in. Let me look at this one here. This is called Blue Giant. Really pretty. Oh look. I never seen this one. I was gonna call it a Lola because it looks like a Lola, but it's labeled as something different. But it's a hybrid, so I don't know if it's a mix. Oh, these are $2.98. I'm gonna think about this one. I'm gonna think about that one because I don't have. If it's not a Lola, then I don't have it. Look at this here. This one is Sedum Firestorm. Look at that color, it's so pretty. And it's pretty cool today. Ooh, donkey's tail over there. Nice. Oops, sorry. Let's go look on the other side. We have some Gracopetalum here. Variegated. This is the variegated one. That's nice. I have some at home. So, let's go check the other side. Oh, here are these pretty arrangements here. $20, pretty good. And this is, I wonder if this is a ponytail palm. I don't know. Let's see what we have here. Some type of Kalanchoe. It just says Kalanchoe. That's cool. This one is Gracopetalum. It's a pretty big one. There's a black prince. Let's see the painted ones they have. Oh look, this one looks interesting. This is some type of jade. Crassula Latifila. I don't know how to say that. I'm practicing self-control, guys. I'm being good, so don't shout at the screen for me to put it in my cart. I'm trying to be good. This is some type of Echeveria. This one is nice. I don't have this one. Here's another one. Look at the dark colors on that. It's really pretty. Okay, let's move on over here. And they have these beautiful arrangements. Very nice. Donkey's tail. These are all, I guess, I don't know, prices may vary. Some are 20 and some are 25. I guess it depends. These are really nice. I wonder if these are the 25 ones. Oh, I see some big ones over there that I'm going to go show you in a minute. So these are $7.98 here. $7.98. And then I think this is the blue alto, the one that I have in the pretty pot that I have several of. That's $7.98. That's good. And here's some more Firestorm. Really pretty. There's another one. And then here, I think this is the Trailing Jade. I don't know. I think this is Trailing Jade. is an aeonium. I like them. Pretty aeonium. Yeah. So this is Graptopetalum. Pretty nice. Chopsticks over there. Is it chopsticks or new chopsticks? I always say chopsticks. This is pretty aloe. These are nice. Are these Fred eyes? Oh, they're Graptopetalum Fred eyes. I like the Graptopetalum actually. These are nice too. These are Graptopetalum Bella. $7.98. Yeah, $7.98. And let's see what price we have here for these. $12.98. $12.98. And not so long ago I bought one same size for $7.98. So prices went up, guys. This is Debbie. It's Vera Debbie. This is always $2.98. Hopefully it stays $2.98. It doesn't normally belong on this side. It belongs on the other side. And then here are these Sidiveria Lilac Mist. And that's what they have. So guys, I've been listening, I'm listening to you guys, and I'm going to get myself a mic so that I don't have to speak loud and be embarrassed. So that's what I'm going to do. So bear with me. This is Crassula Burgundy. I wonder if in the sun, if this gets like a deep red or something. Okay, let's go check out the Colam on the other side, where you can find, for now, as of for now, plants that are $2.98, and they've been $2.98 for a long time. And look at this beauty right here. It's an Echeveria Tolmanus. I don't know what it is, but it's $2.98, and I'm definitely getting that. And then let me just show you here. This is $17. Arrangement, and then here is a little basket so you can make your own arrangement. Look at the color on that. And those are so pretty over there. And that's it, guys. That's all that this Home Depot has. Oh, here's some sedum. I love this sedum. It's so pretty. So pretty. Look how happy it looks. I need to come to Lowe's because I completely forgot that Home Depot stopped selling the big bag of cactus oil. And look what I see, guys. You see this? You see these beautiful big baskets full of plants? You see that price? Never have I ever seen a price on that. That is an awesome price. Like, I want to buy a bunch of them, but I'm not. But that's crazy. That's a good price, guys. Look at the variety of plants that are in there. You guys see that? And hopefully I might have to put a song over this because they have music playing in the background. But look at these, guys. I've never seen that for $11. You guys need to check your baskets hanging away from the other succulents, because this is in a different area where baskets hang, to see how much they are. These are $19, and you can get the same amount of plants over there for half the price. You know, this basket. So that's pretty cool. So make sure you look around and see what they have. Look at that. That is really pretty arrangements. They have a lot of different plants. So I guess right now, all over Florida, I think that maybe they are stocking up in their plants. This is a beauty. I don't have, but I don't know what I want to get. Very, very nice. Very nice plants. Look at this is hedgehog aloe. Super nice. I have a blue elf and I really like it, but I want something like this. I really like this. I don't know if really love the blue elf as well. So I don't know. Because I want to make a big arrangement, but I'm not sure yet what I'm going to make. Here. More. Lots of nice plants, just like at the other Lowe's that I've seen. Oh, is this the blue elf? It looks like it. It looks different. No, it's also hedgehog aloe. Look at that agave. So great. Sorry guys. Agave. And we have some unique cactus that I've never seen before. This one's pretty cool. It's shoved back there. I'll see if I can pull it out. Let's see if it has a name. Any names? Yes, it's a mini. So I wonder if they would pronounce that cola or chola. I don't know. It depends. Is it a Spanish name? I don't know. Because in Spanish the CH goes ch. So I don't know. But there it is. It's a pretty cool plant. Beautiful jade. So yeah, that's pretty nice. Came back to these because I realized I did not show you a little bit slower and the unique plants that they have that you normally don't find. This is what they call teddy bear's claw, but variegated. I think the correct name is cotyledon. I don't know. But anyways, bear's claw for a lot of people that know it by that name. Then they have this one. Also something that you normally don't see. Crassula springtime. I think this is one that's not a common. Pachiveria powder puff. Not a common. This is not a common either. This is Sedum hernandezi, something like that. So those are not common. I think this is golden glow. That's common. So yeah, lots and lots of nice plants. So now I'm back from running to Home Depot and Lowe's, and this other place where I got this. It's a landscaping place. I was sending pictures to my husband, giving him some birthday gift ideas, and he said, can you just buy it now? So that he wouldn't have to go out again. So I got this, which you guys already saw, but I also got this. And this is a water fountain. It easily transforms any planter into a fountain. So I have a really cool idea for this, and I can't wait to show you guys and it was only $10. That I couldn't believe that. When I saw that, I was like, yes, I want it. She's so cute and pretty. And then you guys already knew I was gonna get the hedgehog aloe one here. And then I stopped at the Dollar Tree and I got some more pots that I needed, and the one that I needed to replace because I used it for the giveaway. And they had this, let me pull this pot out because it's really pretty. I was surprised. I mean, it's, you know, not expensive or anything, quality, but it would hold up for quite a while. It's really pretty blue. You guys see? There you go. You guys can see it there. So that's really nice size pot. So I really like the color for spring. So I got that from the Dollar Tree, and that's just stuff in there. It wasn't cracked or anything. And I got some cactus soil, and then this, guys, is something that they use obviously in the baseball field. It helps to dry out the area when it gets wet. See, it improves, what is it? It prevents rainouts, I guess. What it does is helps to dry out, I don't know what would you call their red dirt that they use, but it helps to dry it out. Anyways, so the reason I bought this is because I was Googling other options instead of hummus because it's difficult to find around here, and I wanted to just be able to get it right away whenever I need it. So I read about people using Turfus MVP. So that's a brand, I guess, Turfus MVP. So this is Turfic Athletics, and I'm not recommending this, right, until I've been using it for a while. But many people use this. Even the guy was telling me, yeah, I was surprised. He said that there was some gardeners that were requesting this, and he was surprised. So yeah, so I am using this, and in the future, if it works out well, then I will recommend it. This 50-pound bag was only $13, so that is going to last me a good while. And I guess that's it for this haul, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye, guys.